Hey guys, Mike here. Our friends at VALKCO have sent us this smart lock for our front door. I can't wait to try this out. It's a digital lock, so it recognizes fingerprints and a door code as well as a key. So we have two dogs. We have people that come over and let the dogs out while we're not home. We can make a special key for those as well, a special code for them as well. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. Oh, instructions. We'll read these, I think. This package really nice. That's for the inside. And this will be the outside piece. Oh yeah, that's super nice. It's pretty. I really like the design of this. So you see the keypad here, your fingerprint here, and you can make up the codes to go here. We'll do all of that. And then this is it has the keys that go with it, the mounting hardware. There's the two keys for it. And this should be the deadbolt itself. It is. So here's the deadbolt and all the hardware to mount it. So let me look at these instructions, see what tools I'm gonna need, and we'll come back and we'll put this thing in. Hold with me, don't go anywhere.